Hi everyone, today is a very special day for me. I'm finally receiving my new car, the XPeng G6. I'm so excited to share this experience with you. This is a big change for me as I'm switching from a conventional car to an electric vehicle. I've been driving my Audi Q3 for the past 3 years and I loved it. But I'm also excited to see what the future of EVs holds. The XPeng G6 is one of the latest EV platforms on the market, and it's also the first time it's been introduced to Singapore. I'm lucky to be one of the first owners of this car. The transfer of vehicles was seamless and professionally done. The salesperson was thorough in running through all the features of the car. One of the interesting features is the mindfulness application, where you can chill and relax in the comfort of the car. Let's experience some of the mindfulness programs.
Adjusting the seat and other cockpit settings to a comfortable state for you to start your mindfulness time.
Breathe in, hold, breathe,
For this body scan meditation, you might like to practice lying down, perhaps on a yoga mat, a couch or a bed. So just settling into.
Let's start by finding a comfortable posture. This could be sitting, lying down, or standing.
There is also the effortless self-parking feature that works so simply. I'm so excited to start driving my new XPeng G6, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for EVs. Thank you for watching.